Hi everyone. So let's see some of the Python built-in function whether we can apply on the top of this series object to get some insight from this series. So I have already created this series object what we have seen in the last couple of videos, like a months and a temperature. So months will be an index column and temperature will be a value. Let me just display this as one. Okay. So let's start with the very simple like a len function of Python. So if you just apply s1 and pass s1 to this len function of Python, it has written a 12. That means there are total 12 values are there inside the s1 object. If you want to find what is the type of this s1, so we have already used this earlier number of times, so it's a series kind of object. Let's say if you want to convert this full series into list kind of structure, so we can use the list function and we can supply the s1. So you can see all the value it has taken into considerations like a 30, 31, 32. So and it has written as the brand new list. If you want to convert into, let's say, dictionary kind of object, so we can use like a dict function and supply the s1. So now we have a dictionary kind of object where we have a Jan, Feb, March, all those are keys, where 30, 31, all those temperature are the values. Let's say if you want to do the sorting, so we have already seen the sorting which we applied on the top of this s1 object. Now we are going to use the built-in function available in a Python like a sorted, and we'll give the s1. So now you can see it has written as the list object which is having all values been sorted, which is not in a earlier our s1 object. Let's say if you want to find the maximum value, so we can use the max function. So the maximum temperature or maximum value in this particular series object will be 34, which is in November. I think in a May also. You can get the same thing like a counter equivalent methods like a min function. So min will be a minimum temperature will be a 29. Okay, so we have seen a couple of Python built-in functions like a type, and you want to find the length, you can convert into Python collection type like a list and dictionary. You can do the sorting with sorted function, and you can find the maximum and minimum value out of this series object from the Python built-in function. Okay, so that's all about this video. See you into next video.